Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use version history in forms and surveys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the version history in forms and surveys. Why is this helpful? Well, maybe you've created a survey, then you made some changes, you didn't like the changes, and now you wish to have the old version back. Now you can restore the old version with one click of a button. So first we want to head over to Sites on the left, Forms at the top, or Surveys at the top. For now, let's select Forms and select this form right here. Now you can see our form. At the top right corner, you can see the versions icon. Click on it and on the left you can see all the different versions popping up. Now let's make some changes to our form, and let me show you the difference. Let's add a date of birth. Let's add payment details. Let's hit save. Let's click preview and now you can see the new form, which looks very different to the original one. Let's go back to the back end. Let's close the menu. Let's click on versions at the top right, and here you can see that is the current version. If you click on any version before it even shows you what the previous version looked like. Now in version 5, you can see we didn't have the payment details here, right? So if we liked this form a lot better, we just click on Restore Version at the top right corner. Now you can see a new version number 8 popping up, which wasn't there a second ago. Let's click Preview again. So now you can see this is the original version compared to the version before. Another use case could be if you're working in a team, for example, and you really want to restore the version Make has created for you. For example, you just go back to the versions, but you don't really know which one it was. So you can just go back and check the work schedule. When was she on duty? And you can go back to the versions, because it also shows you the date and time when the versions have been updated, which makes it a lot easier to find the correct version that you want to restore. That's it already. This is how easy you can access the version history in forms and surveys. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use version history in forms and surveys. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.